What if I tell you that the luxuries, the cars, the good life, that big cash out you have always hoped for will surely come only if what? Stick to the end of this video to find out. I'm not going to take much of your time, so I will just make it real quick and I will tell you something that will benefit you before the end of this video. Everyone desires a better life, to live in the best house, to drive the best cars, and to travel around the world. You know what I mean. In luxury, you know what I mean. You see, people don't just desire a better life, but they desire a better life that would last for a lifetime, to give them fulfillment even after they are gone, for their generations yet to come. But only few know how to go about this. Only few knows what to do consistently to attain financial freedom over time within the long run. Financial freedom here is the better life that I mentioned earlier on. It has to be financial freedom because no one wants to be rich today and tomorrow, what? You are broke. Therefore, it has to be financial freedom, because it is not ideal to settle for less in life. Let's take, for example, anyone in our world today who is truly rich with a genuine known source of income is assumed to have attained a level of financial freedom, as the case may be. But someone who is still at the beginning stage of his or her career has not even started the long walk to financial freedom. What does he or she need to do to attain financial freedom? What does everyone who deserves a better life needs to do in order to attain financial freedom? And this brings us back to where I said only if. Only if what? Earlier on I said that you can get the better life which you solely desire only if, and that is only if you solve people's problems. Offer humanity a product or service that can solve their problems and watch money flow into your hands in return. Improve on that which you offer and more money flows into your hands over time in return for that which you offer. This is the big secret, guys. This is how you attain financial freedom over time. You make money, gradually you make more money, and gradually you attain financial freedom. Bear this in mind that financial freedom is a long walk. At certain points, you are bound to meet challenges, but what keeps you going are your vision, your motivation, and your end goal in life. They keep you going till you get to the top when you stick to them. I hope this piece has benefited you in one way or the other.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is David VC, a digital marketer, an IT personnel and a business analyst. I hope you got some value from that piece you just listened to. This channel helps you develop or grow passive income so you can make more money, you can bring stability and peace to your financial life. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to this channel for more contents. We will be discussing issues of digital marketing, content creating and affiliate marketing, and we will be creating tutorial videos on how to make money using these 3 routes: using digital marketing, content creating, affiliate marketing. A lot of guys have made figures from this, and I'll also be sharing my experiences, how I've made a whole lot of money from these routes I just mentioned. So therefore, like our videos, comment, subscribe, share, and tell your friend to tell a friend about this channel so we can grow together until we attain financial freedom. See you next time. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate your time.